Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your bee speed in Grow Garden game of Roblox new BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that if we have bees, the bees will always follow us anywhere we go. And bee speed means how fast the bees follows you guys. And if you want to upgrade it, you can go to this menu, upgrade tree menu. Here you can upgrade your bee speed, compressor capacity, extra honey, bee capacity, and so on. And if you want to make your bee faster in following you, you can try to upgrade the bee speed. Okay, I'm going to upgrade to level 3. Alright, but I think this is not really important guys, because it's not really useful I think, but it's up to you. If you need to make your bee faster, you can try to upgrade your bee speed. Okay guys, and that's how we can increase the bee speed in Grow Garden game of Roblox new BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.